Hi, for Uber.
Hi, yeah.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, welcome on in.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
What?
This is nice.
What?
Your car.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did I hit Uber Black by accident?
No, I just figured I'd, just pick up the normies today in the G-Wagon.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so.
It's my lucky day.
It is. Yeah, so, what do you think?
It's beautiful.
I got the, leather stitching. It's real leather, by the way.
Smells like it.
Yeah, so, yeah, you can feel it. You can feel around if you want.
Cushion seats.
Yeah, I got a little sunroof up here.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, don't get too many ideas, but if you want to stick your head out the sunroof, I wouldn't complain. I'll put it that way.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, what do you do in your daytime when you're not driving Uber?
I'm an Uber driver. What do you mean? I do this full time.
Really?
Yeah. It's a pretty good job. Like, they pay us pretty well now, ever since, like, the pandemic and stuff. Like,
well, that's good to know.
Yeah, they get, like, gas discounts and stuff, so it's pretty nice.
Wow.
What are you looking at up there?
It's just the roof is so soft.
Is it? Doesn't all cars have soft roofs?
I mean, not like this. It's like suede.
Yeah. So, anyways, I know it's a short ride, so just maybe thinking maybe we could go for a ride in the car maybe later or another day.
Yeah, I mean, I have other places to go. Can I just like directly get to you through the app?
I mean, I can give you my Snapchat.
Oh. Yeah.
Is that cool? I don't know.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
I don't really use Snapchat anymore, but
well, we could do
I
like
can take it.
You have AIM or email?
I do have an email.
Okay. Well, I still use AIM.
Okay.
But
I haven't used that in a while, but
yeah.
I could like re-download it though if that's like the way you prefer to communicate.
Yeah, actually my number's right on the back seat, so.
Oh wow, engraved.
Yeah, well, I just, so many people ask for my number, so I just figured I'd put it right there.
Yeah.
So yeah, just shoot me a text whenevs.
Okay, I'll just take a picture of that there.
All right, well, yeah, thanks so much, and have a great day.
Awesome, thank you so much.
All right.
Have fun driving in the car.
Thank you.